Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to apply for the CFA Access Scholarship. So this is helpful if you want to take the CFA exam, but the fees are too expensive. If you qualify, this scholarship can give you a big discount on the exam costs. So first, go to the CFA Institute website and find the scholarships section. Then click on Access Scholarship. Next, read the eligibility rules carefully so you know you qualify before applying. After that, log in to your CFA Institute account or create one if you don't have it yet. Now open the Access Scholarship application form, fill in your details clearly and honestly, especially the parts about your background, financial need, and why you are applying. And before you submit, quickly review everything for mistakes, then submit your application, and after that, wait for the results. If you are approved, you'll get instructions to register with the discounted rate. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below.